sanitizer shortage. We're gonna make hand sanitizer from World Health Organization recipe. Super easy. Anyone can do it. Even kids can do it. Like me. Let me tell you something. Washing hands with soap and water is the best way. Best way. To get rid of the coronavirus. If you really need hand sanitizer, here's what you need. First, you need to look in your medicine cabinet to see if you have this alcohol. Make sure it's more than 90%. And then look in your sunscreen cabinet if you have this aloe vera gel. A measuring cup, a bowl and a whisk, and some oil that makes it smell good. And we're using lemongrass. Some empty bottles that you can squeeze the sanitizer out. Because how will you get it out if you can't squeeze it out? Here's one way. Taking off the lid. That's one way.
Good job, guys.
Let's do it! Now we have homemade sanitizer. Hand sanitizer.
Whoop.
The way to use your hand sanitizer is to rub until it's dry. It smells so good. So if you have an empty bottle of hand sanitizer, you can refill it with your homemade hand sanitizer. Mine is a little watery, but it's effective. And I even wrote my name on it and everything. If you really need hand sanitizer and you can't find it anywhere, let me know. I can send you some because during this time of the crisis, I want to help everyone out as much as I can. So let me know if you need any hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching Science Guys. Bye-bye. Hand sanitizer. Science